Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of n8n. If you've been looking into workflow automation lately, you've probably come across n8n. It's one of the fastest growing automation platforms today, and unlike many competitors that focus mainly on no-code users, n8n is designed for technical teams, for developers, for AI builders, businesses that need complete flexibility. But with so many automation tools right now offering AI agents, also offering workflow builders and hundreds of integrations, is n8n still worth using in 2026? Well, let's get started on it. At its core, n8n is an open source workflow automation platform that helps individuals and businesses automate repetitive tasks by connecting different applications, APIs, databases, and AI services together. Think of it as a digital employee that works 24 hours a day. Instead of manually copying information between apps, sending emails, updating spreadsheets, processing computer requests, or building AI workflows yourself, n8n lets you automate these processes visually. The platform follows a low-code approach. Now let's talk about the main features. The Visual Workflow Builder. Everything begins with the drag and drop workflow editor. You can create automation by connecting nodes together, making even complicated workflows easy to understand and modify. Over 1,000 integrations. n8n supports well over 1,000 integrations. Popular services include Google Sheets, Slack, AI Agent, Gmail, OpenAI, Telegram, Google Gemini, Anthropic, Etable, Microsoft Excel, Notion, Discord, Google Calendar, and lots more. If an app isn't supported and is not listed among the ones that you have on the webpage here, you can usually connect it using APIs or webhooks. So there's barely no limitations. Next is the AI Agent Builder. One of the biggest additions is AI automation. You can build intelligent workflows that interact with large language models, chain prompts together, call external tools, retrieve information from databases, and automate complex reasoning tasks. Next, code when you need it. Unlike many no-code competitors, n8n doesn't restrict advanced users. Yes, you can write JavaScript, Python, SQL, HTTP requests, Bash scripts. This makes the platform incredibly flexible. And next is the self-hosting feature. One of n8n's biggest selling points is self-hosting. Businesses can keep all workflows and sensitive data on their own infrastructure instead of relying entirely on cloud services. And then we have the templates. If you're new, you don't have to build everything yourself. n8n provides hundreds of workflow templates that cover marketing, sales, customer support, HR, finance, software development, and lots more. Error handling. Production workflows need reliability, so n8n includes retries, logging, debugging tools, workflow history, execution tracking, and notifications whenever something goes wrong. Now, what is the pricing of n8n like? There's a starter plan at $20 per month, there's a pro plan at $50 per month, a business plan at $800 per month, and an enterprise plan where you contact the sales team. Now, those prices jump up if you decide to pay monthly. What are the pros and cons of using n8n? First, the pros. Self-hosting is available. There's excellent balance between low-code and full-code development, powerful AI workflow capabilities, and it has more than 1,000 integrations. It's highly customizable and has great API support. There's also strong developer tools. How about the cons? There's a steeper learning curve than other simpler automation platforms, and beginners may feel overwhelmed by the large number of options. If you want to build advanced workflows on n8n, it requires technical knowledge often. Having considered all this, is n8n still worth using in 2026? I'd say yes, considering everything it offers. n8n remains one of the best workflow automation platforms that are available today, and is absolutely worth considering for anyone that is serious about automating business processes or building AI-powered workflows. And that's it on the review of n8n. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Make, Zapier, and Active Pieces. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.